Ukraine's Ministry of Defense has officially unveiled the Poseidon H10 MkIII, a domestically developed unmanned aerial vehicle, marking a significant milestone in the country's military advancement. The new system is designed to enhance the surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities of Ukraine's armed forces, especially in complex and contested environments. This move demonstrates Ukraine's commitment to self-reliance in defense technology. The Poseidon H10 MkIII consists of 3 drones and 2 control stations, ensuring seamless operations even if a drone is lost. Initially contracted for testing in May 2022, the system quickly gained attention for its advanced capabilities. These include resistance to electronic warfare, the ability to autonomously evade threats, stable flight in adverse weather, and reliable performance over long distances. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of missions, from reconnaissance to tactical support for infantry, artillery, and intelligence units. Equipped with cutting-edge surveillance technology, the Poseidon H10 MkIII features a day camera with 20x synthetic zoom and stabilization for precise imaging, as well as a thermal imaging camera with 4x zoom for enhanced performance in low-visibility conditions. With an operational range of 150 kilometers, the drone can fly at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters and reach speeds of 150 kilometers per hour. It's also built to withstand extreme temperatures, ranging from -40°C to +60°C. Each Poseidon system is stored in transport cases for rapid deployment in diverse field conditions, and operators undergo thorough training at the 190th Training Center to master the drone's capabilities. This ensures that operators can effectively use the Poseidon H10 MkIII in real-world operations. The Poseidon H10 MkIII proves particularly valuable in counteroffensive operations, where timely intelligence and precise targeting are critical. The drone's advanced counter-electronic warfare systems make it resilient in contested airspace, offering real-time data transmission and extended surveillance. The adoption of the Poseidon H10 MkIII signals Ukraine's push towards technological independence and self-sufficiency in military operations. By reducing reliance on foreign suppliers, Ukraine strengthens its defense industrial base and secures long-term operational readiness. The Poseidon H10 MkIII also highlights the growing role of drones in modern warfare, showcasing the shift towards intelligence-driven, precision-based combat strategies. With this advanced UAV, Ukraine not only bolsters its defense capabilities but also positions itself as a significant contributor to the global defense technology sector. The Poseidon H10 MkIII is a perfect example of how cutting-edge technology is transforming the landscape of modern warfare.